Hello everyone, this is Nisar Ahmed from Jinnah Sindh Medical University. Students, we have received some queries about computerized theory exams and unobserved OSPE exam from you people, and so I have decided to make a short video uh, to guide you about these theory and unobserved OSPE exam. Basically, it will cover all computerized exam which you will appear in near future. Okay, students, when you will settle down in your examination hall, you will see the screen which is right in front of you people right now. So you can see there is a written DPT under available courses headline. There is a DPT English semester 1 2022. This is the exam which is currently in progress. Okay, so when you will come for exam, hopefully there will be some your degree program MBBS or BDS dash your subject or module whatever, and then your first year second year whatever. So okay, and below that there is a, when I'm scrolling down, I can see unobserved OSPE mock exam. Right now we will click on mock exam because this is just for practice. This is a duplicate of exam. Fine. You will click on your subject in which you will appear for your exam. Right now I'm clicking on unobserved OSPE mock. After clicking, you can see it will ask for your username and password. Your username and password will be written on your admit cards. So just write it down and click enter. You will have some screen. This basically is for unobserved OSPE. This practice test is for unobserved OSPE, but it will cover a theory part also. Okay, uh, after logging in, first thing I will advise you, for your own good, please verify your name which is written on top right of your top right of your screen. Okay, uh, this name will appear after you successfully log in your accounts. Right now this is Nisar Ahmed Khatri, my name, and if you will correctly log in, you will see your own name, maybe your name plus with your father's name, that's okay. But if you see something else, someone else name or some wrong name, please immediately inform your invigilator, okay, before continuing your exam. This is really important for your first paper especially. Okay, after logging in, you verify your name and then you can start your exam. Right now you can see there are four stations basically. Station 0, which comprises of MCQs. In your unobserved OSPE exam, you can have four type of questions in your unobserved OSPE exam, that are MCQs, drag and drop questions, matching questions, and fill in the blanks. Okay, you can have, but it's not necessary that you will have all four questions. And I have categorized in station wise. In your annual exam, these questions will not be categorized. Obviously, station 0, maybe that will be anatomy. Station 1, that's physio. Station 2, that can be biochemistry. Okay, right now I have categorized uh, these questions. uh, okay, so first you will click on your first station. After clicking it on it, you can see there is written attempt quiz now. You have to click on it, attempt quiz now, and start attempt. Your whole theory paper will consist of only MCQs. There will be no negative marking, and that's why I have created this MCQ part in unobserved OSPE. So as in to cover your theory part also. So you can see in this screen that there are five questions. Okay, question number 1, and when you will scroll down, you can see 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, below question number 5 there is a next page button. When you will click on next page, you will have other 5 questions. Okay, on right side there is a quiz navigation tab, and below this quiz navigation headline you can see there are 15 numbers, 1 2 3 1 to 15 numbers. These are your questions. In this mock exam we are having 15 questions, 15 MCQ questions basically. So if you want to jump to any question, you can click on this and it will directly take you to that question. If I click on 2, I will have question number 2 in front of me. Fine. Okay, again starting from question number 1, uh, just click on the correct option which you like. Question 1 2 3, I have, for suppose I have attempted question 1 2 3 and I'm skipping question number 4 and 5 and I'm going to next page. Now you can see on the quiz navigation tab, question 1 2 3 which I have already uh, selected my answer. These are half gray, means I have already attempted these questions. And question number 4 and 5 is full white, not half gray, means I have skipped that question. Okay, these questions. So I can go back and I can reconsider my question, reconsider my options. If I want to change any option, I can do it as much as I want. So to go to the previous page, same, in the end of the last question you can see there is a previous page button, also next page. Next page will bring you next 5 questions from question number 11 to 15, and previous page will bring you previous 5 questions, question number 6 to, no sorry, question number, yes, 6 to, no sorry, 1 to 5. So click on previous page and you can see I have question number 1 marked, selected my choice as C, so I can change my option if I want to, as much as I want, until you can change your options basically until you submit your paper. Okay, so before submitting you can review it multiple times and change the options if you want to. Okay, I have attempted all 5 questions in this page and I'm going to next question. Now you can see all 5 are half gray color. Okay, so this means that all 5 questions are attempted. And you can see here below these quiz navigation there is a time left, 1 minute 30 seconds, means after 1 minute 26 seconds my questions, this exam will disappear and it will automatically submit all the questions which I have attempted. Okay, so if the time runs away, no need to take stress, means you have submitted your paper. Okay, fine. I'm attempting question numbers, other questions, and in the end when you have attempted all your questions you have to submit your paper. So to submit your paper you can see there is a finish attempt written uh, below the last question. You can see it in quiz navigation tab also, and below the questions also, after the last question, question number 15 which is right now. And you can see below the last question there is a finish attempt button, so you can click over here either, or yeah, I'm clicking it over here. Now this is showing me the summary of the questions of my paper basically. It's showing question number, I have all answers are saved till question number 1, from question 1 to 10 except question 11 to 15 because I have not submitted. Okay, that okay students, after submitting the first station you will have to move to second station. Okay, to move to second station at you will see in bottom right of the page there is a link to the next station. Okay, just click on it to move to the next station. Next station is drag and drop station, so just click on attempt quiz now and start attempt. Okay students, in this station, in this type of question which are drag and drop, you will see a picture. Okay, and below that picture there will be some options. You have to drag the correct option with the correct place. it is possible that you will see some wrong options too, so leave it. You don't have to drag those wrong options. Okay, in picture which is in front of me right now, that's a Pakistan map, and you can see there are four blocks drawn in middle in somewhere in the picture. Okay, the first is the province KP province, second is Punjab, third is Balochistan, and fourth one is Sindh. Okay, so what you will do, you will choose the correct option, drag at the correct place. Okay, to drag the correct option, you will click on the option, keep clicking, don't depress the mouse button. You have to left click and don't depress, keep clicking, and then you will move to the drag that correct option to the correct place. That's it. You will see there will be a yellow highlighted color somewhere near the option, so just leave over there, depress your mouse button over there, and it will be pasted. Okay, in this picture you can, in this question you can see there are two wrong options. One is Rajasthan and one is Uttar Pradesh. Okay, don't click on it, don't drag if you don't want to. And my time is about to finish. You can see it was only 2 minutes, so 5 seconds are left. When this time will finish, my paper will automatically submit it. That's it, submitted. Okay, first question is first station 1 is submitted. Now to move to the next station, there is a same way, in bottom right of the page there is a link to the next station. So this one is a matching type question. Click on attempt quiz now, start attempt. Okay, fine, this is also a 2 minute station. So what you will do in this uh, type of question, on the left side there will be question and you have to choose the correct option. Like in this one is Pakistan is largest producer of something, what, raw cotton, rice, wheat, or gold. I know it's not gold, it's not wheat, it's raw cotton maybe. Okay, yes, in this type of question again you can have some wrong options also, so you don't have to click on those, leave it as it is. South Africa is largest producer of gold. Fine. And same, match the capital of following: Denmark, no, Namibia. That's it. After finishing attempting all the question, you can submit. And yes, it is very necessary to submit the station before moving to the next station, so please submit it before to move to the next station. Finish attempt, submit all and finish, submit. Now you can move to the next question. Next one is fill in the blanks. Attempt quiz now, start attempt. This one is easy, I think. You are attempting from your high schools or even from primary. Okay, you can see there is a block, empty block. You have to write a correct option in that empty block. Key and national bird of Pakistan is finish attempt, submit all and finish, submit all and finish. And voila, you have attempted all the stations now. I have attempted all the stations now. Okay, students, if you have any question or query about this computerized exam, either in theory or in unobserved OSPE, you can comment on this video. I will try to answer as soon as I could. You can email me at okay, or you can email me in the given email address. I will try to reply you as soon as I could. Okay, thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.